Good morning everyone. Today activity is 3D shapes.
White. It is 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertex. Example: book matchbox.
Good.
Cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertex. Example: toy, chocolate box.
Good.
Sphere. One face, no edges, no corners. Example: globe. Cylinder. 3 faces, 2 edges.
Example:
Example:
tube light.
tube, drum.
Good.
Two faces, one edges, one terminal,
One vertex.
one letter. Example:
Dakshita, what is that? Cylinder. Cylinder.
3 corners,
3.
3 faces, 2 corners,
2 edges.
2 edges.
Example: Dakshita, example: birthday cap.